except this guy.
Yeah. Ke bona hore na le motho mo.
Yeah, ke mmotsa ke re, you know what's happening?
Yeah.
Go na le video one. Ke posted.
Yeah.
I think it was around February.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ke re Orlando Pirates are the champions.
Yes.
Let me first say congratulations to Orlando Pirates for taking the league. They were taking the league.
And you
My brother, you see, my voice is not here, my brother.
No, go to
It's in the stadium.
No,
Roberts from the first minute
until the last minute.
Actually, before,
Yeah.
they were still training there.
Yes.
Harry Fielder on the other side.
Yeah.
Harry Fielder from the first minute. Harry from the first one.
Yes.
It's nothing. This one.
Yeah.
My brother.
Yeah.
Even if when they scored one.
Yes. My child.
No. I said to them.
Yes.
Guys, let's keep on singing.
Yes.
Stennis is going to score.
Yes.
They're singing. You sing, my brother.
Yeah.
They're singing.
Yeah.
I don't hear them. No, it's fine. This one is 57.
Yeah.
They are 57. This one.
Yeah.
So we've been singing there. We've been supporting Stellenbosch to say, Stellenbosch, please represent us.
Yes.
Represent us. Because there are these coaches in PSL.
Yes.
Polokwane City coach. Putim Raf.
Yeah.
Hey, Sundowns is yes, quality. Eric Tinkler.
Yeah.
But then he scored Eric Tinkler now. He scored.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're saying, as coaches,
Yes.
do not promote that. Please put competition inside.
Yes. Support your players.
So it's like now, Sundowns is playing against Pirates.
Yeah. Oh, that's the only team.
Yeah, other 15 teams.
6 years already. Pirates is number 2.
It's number 2.
Yes. No one else is coming to.
No one else is coming to the party. These coaches after every interview. Yes,
They play Sundowns.
They check for Sundowns.
Yeah.
That's why we're saying no. These coaches, they must be disciplined.
Is that the reason Tinker was fired?
This is the reason.
Yeah.
It's the reason we moved. How many
5 goals.
5 goals.
Yes.
So we're saying to Puti Morale, stop doing that, my brother.
Yeah.
Continue building there at Polokwane City.
He's doing very well, but he's overhyping other people.
Polokwane City is doing very well.
Yeah.
They played against Kaizer Chiefs. It was draw.
Yes.
So we're saying,
Yes.
we have 15 teams.
So far.
We're saying we have 15 teams in PSL.
Yes.
So everyone must compete.
Yes.
You know,
Not 2 teams
not
every year.
2 teams.
Yes.
It's Orlando Pirates and Sundowns.
Yeah.
So now Chiefs is saying they will let Sundowns score
Win.
6 goals.
Yeah.
What's
How
that?
come?
How come?
How
Now we're
come?
going to play them on Sunday. They say, yeah, we're going to win against you.
Yeah.
But when they play against Sundowns,
They're
say,
going to
but
give them.
They're going to give them 3 goals.
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
So we're saying, my brother, congratulations, and that the cause. Congratulations. Because before we can lose Mufokeng,
Yes.
before we can lose a police,
We need to win the league.
before we can lose Siema,
You need to win the league.
already lost who?
Mbogazi. Yes.
We already lost Mbogazi.
Yes.
So these 3 players, these key players,
Yes.
Mufokeng is the player of the season.
Yes.
Mufokeng is the young player of the season.
Yeah. For the 3rd time.
So before we lose this kid,
Yes.
so we must make sure that we win the league.
Yes.
And we say, Babaka Mufokeng, siyabonga kusilethela le ngane.
Yeah.
So the boy must go now.
No, he has done
The
well.
boy has done well.
No, Mfukeng must be arrested.
No, Mufokeng must go.
How does Mfukeng score a free kick without the referee judging?
I want Mufokeng to play on Sunday for the last time.
Yeah.
After Kaizer Chiefs game, Mufokeng must not play.
Yeah.
Mufokeng must
he has
go.
done everything.
He has done everything.
Yeah, he's done
We are
everything.
fine with Mufokeng.
No, I agree.
Thank you, President Dama 2K.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Police, keep on doing a great job, my brother.
Yes.
You're doing very well. Thank you
Yes.
very much.
No, thank you, my brother.